imagine what life would be like in the dark? Many of the activities we do every day depends on what we call radiant energy. Most radiant energy is energy that passes through space in the form of waves. It travels towards all directions from a source. Radiant energy in the form of visible light enables us to observe our surroundings. It is necessary for photosynthesis. Other forms of radiant energy have applications in medicine, communications, industry, and space exploration. High energy particles that bombard the Earth from beyond its atmosphere are called cosmic rays. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelength and the most energy among all the waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are generated by radioactive atoms and by nuclear explosion. Gamma rays can kill living cells, a fact which medicine uses to its advantage, using gamma rays to kill cancerous cells. X-rays can pass through organs and tissues of the body, but not through the bones and teeth. The narrow band of wavelength is the means by which humans see. We refer to it as the visible light spectrum. Normally, when we use the term light, we refer to a type of electromagnetic wave that stimulates the retina of our eyes. We are actually referring to visible light in a small spectrum of the enormous range of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation. This narrow band of visible light is affectionately known as Roy-G Biv for the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Infrared light, on the other hand, is light of a longer wavelength than that of visible red light. Our skin feels warm in the sunlight because it absorbs infrared light better than a light-colored surface. Infrared light is also used in night visors, which make it possible to see in the dark. Microwaves pass through glass and are absorbed by water. Thus, moist food set on glass containers can be cooked in minutes in a microwave oven without burning or melting the glass. Ultraviolet light has a shorter wavelength than that of visible violet light. It can cause sunburn and skin damage if absorbed too much by the skin. Ultraviolet light can also kill germs. Radio waves are used for radio and television broadcasts. Radar waves are used as a signaling device on planes and ships. So even if you often take for granted the presence of radiant energy around us, we really have a lot to be thankful for when we come to think of its many uses in our lives.